Okay, hello, good day. My name is Sherry Kasha, and for today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to use Pear Deck in your lessons, or most especially when you're conducting online lessons or virtual reports. Now, first, what is Pear Deck? So, Pear Deck is an Google extension, so you can only use it using Google, and you can only use it when you have internet connection. So, first, how to apply Pear Deck in your presentation. So first, you need to go to Google Apps, then you need to click the slide. So dapat yung presentation mo nakasave sa Google Slides. So for example, this is your presentation. Yan. So since this is your presentation, so I'll be deleting some slides here. Okay, so wait for a while. Okay, yan. I'll be deleting some slides, because I'll be using it for and samples later. Yan. So, where to find the Pear Deck? So, you need to click extension on this part. Then, you need to click add-ons, then get add-ons. Then, you need to type Pear Decks. Pear Deck for Google Slides add-ons. Then, this is the one. Then, you need to install it. So, after installing it, since I install ko na, so you need to go again to extensions, then click Pear Deck for Google Slides add-on. So open Pear Deck, then may mag-appear dyan sa may right. So yan. So makikita mo dito sa side, sa right side, na may mga there's an available template library. So nandiyan may mga prepared templates na dyan that you can use. And then even on your slides itself, you can also have you can also add some um changes, no? Just like for example, if you would like to add text on this slide, or multiple choice, or even numbers, or draw, or daggable. So for example, let's add a prepared template. So in the beginning of your lesson, for example, you wanted to add this slide. Yan. So yan. Maghintay ka lang ng konti, then yan, you wait for that. It's already there on your slide na, on your presentation. For example, this one, you wanted this slide as well. So, yan, appear na naman yan siya dyan sa presentation mo. Yan, di ba, nandyan na. So, for example, on this part, you wanted to add, for example, this, let's say, you wanted to have this slide, or true or false. Yeah. Or and also for the end of your lesson, for example, this is the end of my lesson. I wanted this slide, and I also wanted this slide as well. O yan. Pwede mo din yan i-edit kung ano yung mga nakalagay dyan. Pwede mo yan siya i-change. Depende sa'yo. Yan. So, meron din tayo for critical thinking, yan. So, i-click mo lang yan lahat, i-navigate mo lang lahat ng mga buttons na nandyan. Then, after that, gusto mo siyang i-check kung paano siya gamitin. So, you need to click Start Lesson. Start Lesson, then you would need to click Instructor Face Activity. After that, okay, you just need to wait for a little while. Okay, launching presentation. Then after that, okay, this is your slide. So give students link. You need to get the link. Then click X. So this is the slide of the teacher. And for example, this is the student. So yan. I-ano ko lang ha. I'll present to you. Yan. So this is the slide of the teacher, and this is the slide of the student. So as you can see, the student doesn't have the control on the slide. So this is the slide of the teacher. So si teacher lang ang may control ng slide. So i-click niya yung buttons dito sa side. So, is next. So, yan. So, ito yung mag-appear sa student. O, si teacher, this is the teacher and this is the student. So, for example, draw or type two things you already know about the topic. For example, si bata, ito yung, ano niya, pindutin niya yan lahat. Gusto niya yung black. So, mag-draw na siya ng star. Gusto niya din mag-text, i-click niya lang dyan yung text. So, type na siya. Amazing. For example, ay, nasa na? For example, type here. Amazing cherry. Yan. So, then, i-click niya lang yung done. After that, so you as a teacher, this is the teacher, may kita mo dyan, one of one responses. So, lahat ng mga nag-answer ng mga bata, dito mo may kita. So, i-click mo lang itong parang TV. So, nakita mo dito, okay, I can see here that may nag-drawing ng star. Bakit star yung drawing mo? At okay, parang si Cherry ata yung nagsalat. So, may kita mo yan dyan lahat. After that, okay, I see that you're ready. Okay, let's proceed to the next slide. So, for example, this is your next slide. So, how was the homework assignment? So, nagtanong ka sa kanila. So, you tell them na there is a blue icon on your screen. This is the icon kasi na-provide mo. There is a blue icon on your screen. You just need to drag it on the thumbs up if you're ready. Or, for example, if it's was fine and thumbs down if you're not okay with the assignment. So, for example, ang bata pumunta siya sa dito sa thumbs up. So makikita mo diyan na dito mo makikita na ano yung respond ng bata. Okay, I can see na lahat kayo nagustuhan niyo yung assignment ko. Okay, kasi lahat ang halos ang icon nandito sa thumbs up. So next mo na naman. So yan. So here on your slide, 'di ba? Ito hindi naman to prepared template. Sa'yo to na template. So nag-add on ka lang ng interactive slide for this slide. So, students write your response. So, pwede ang bata answer question. So, magbibigay siya ng, ano siya, this question, for example, this is his or her answer. So, show. Makikita mo na dito na, okay, ang answer ng bata ay ito para sa slide na ginawa mo. Okay, so yan. So, next mo lang. So, nakikita ng bata, is this statement true or false? So, maana siya true. So, makikita mo na. Okay. So, I have my 1 vote for true and for false, 0 ang vote. So, next na naman tayo. For example, okay, show questions. Yan. Yan. So, makikita na ng bata. Oh, yan. So, can you relate? So, type na naman sila. Yeah. I have learned a lot. For example, I have learned a lot today. Okay, done. So, makikita mo dyan na may naglagay o I have learned. So, pag binove niya, makikita mo pa din na minove niya. Diba? Pwede niya rin yan i-erase. Ay, hindi, i-delete. Kapag drawing, mag-drawing siya, pwede niya yan siya i-erase. So, makikita mo yan. So, erase sa bata. Tapos ikaw, nakikita mo dito, okay, nag-i-erase yung isang estudyante ko. Yan. So, yan. So, circle how you are feeling. Students draw anywhere in this slide. So, magdrawing ang bata. Okay, I'm happy. Oh, why are you happy? Okay, why are you sad? Is there something wrong? Pwede kang magtanong sa kanila niyan. So, makikita mo, ay, may bata na happy, may mga batang sad. Bakit kaya? Doon mo na makita. Okay, I guess, okay, that's the end of our presentation. I hope you have learned something today. Okay, goodbye.